Well, I sure want to live on Meat Drive. This one's from Minnesota. All right, we got a pod. We got our foot. Oh, focus. Auto focus. Wow, you take so long. Oh, we got it. Hey, we got newspaper to read. Well, we'll take a look. Oh, this box is in really nice nick. Again, video on. What else do we got to read? Wow, these are all white men. Rotate. We are now in the box view. It's a shuffler. It's gonna do these shuffles. All right, let us see what we have. Okay, we got Nano. We got our original earbuds, and that's it. So if we open this up, oh, we got the original CD. We got the Apple sticker. Yes. Oh, we got everything. So all we need is a first-gen shuffle. That's right, mate. That's right. She thought this Nano was a shuffle. Oh, it's brand new. Oh my God, it's so thin. Wow. Oh, come on. Just get back in there. No, I'm not. Apple. Apple. Stop.
Meanwhile, 2 hours later, 8:01 p.m. The next day. Later, 20 minutes later, 6 hours later.
It's so tiny, but yet kind of heavy in its own weird, unique way. Look at it's the tiny boy. And then we got original, never used earbuds. Very nice. Oh my God, it's so tiny. And what does it say? Laughlin Plus. I think it's the 3G's turn, mate. Man, it would be so much nicer if I still had my 6 Plus. Or the Mac was down here. Swiss branded bathrooms. Well, that's intriguing. Quality design. Our company offers total bathrooms. Total. I need the total bathrooms. I can't believe this is from a fucking bathroom company. Oh, get out of there. They need to see the content. They make sinks, but the sinks are in this, like, weird stand-up thing? I don't know. Hotel Interior Design Award. What are you gonna use sonar in the bathroom for? Like, I don't need to know the diameter of my poop. All right, we're done with this. That was too much of a deep dive. Too much of a deep dive. Let's see what's on the Nano. Engage! Oh, booting right up like a champ. Oh, that's so tiny. Look at how teeny that lock switch is. Okay, let's go in the shuffle. Oh, that's a good song to get on the first shuffle. Oh, it's menu. Only half of this click wheel works. Oh, there we go. Oh. Menu, get me out of the music. What is going on? All right, he may have had a bad start. We'll try him one more time. One more go. Okay, yes, booting up straight away. Hey, oh my God, you know what this is? This is the first Nano first gen I had where it was a Mac model, because usually it's this format Windows under there. Nah, mate. This was synced to a MacBook. Bet. Okay, if I can't, the menu button doesn't work, it's gone. And as soon as I unplug, but hey, thanks for y'all for watching. I'll see you all next time.